Welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 17 in iPhone X in iPhone XS. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here scroll down and click on Journal and click on About. You as can see iOS 17 version. If you want to install iOS 17 official but update is not showing, so how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your setting and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi to at least the 30 second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode. At least the 30 second you have turned it off, and after that scroll down and click on Journal, and from here click on iPhone storage, and from here you make sure that delete useless app, and after that go back and click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on bot toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that go back and scroll down and click on VPN device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, go back and open your setting. I hope your problem will be fixed, and open your scroll down, click on Journal and click on software update, and from here you easily install iOS 17 official. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.